What if I told you that your liver could be getting damaged right now, with no pain, no obvious symptoms, and that even many doctors don't catch it in time? Because no, liver damage doesn't start with cirrhosis. It starts with strange, small, uncomfortable signs that almost nobody associates with the liver. And today I'm going to tell you 13 little-known signs that could indicate your liver is struggling, even if you think you're fine. Stay until the end because some of these signs can be reversed if you detect them early. And before we continue, if you're interested in understanding your body, preventing disease, and learning clearly and without fear, subscribe now. This channel can literally help you live better. Your liver is one of the most impressive organs in the human body. It works non-stop, filters toxins, processes fats, regulates hormones, and on top of that, it has an incredible ability. It can regenerate. But be careful with this common mistake, thinking liver damage only happens because of alcohol. The reality is very different. Today, millions of people have liver disease due to silent, modern, everyday causes. In fact, 1 out of every 3 people has some degree of liver damage, mainly due to 4 very common factors: excess sugar in ultra-processed foods, overuse of industrial vegetable oils, frequent use of certain medications, silent viral infections, and the most worrying part is that most people don't know it. That's why now we're getting to the important part: how to recognize the signs before the damage becomes serious. The 13 warning signs of liver damage. 1. Very light-colored or clay-colored stools. Normally, your stools are brown because of bile. Bile is produced by the liver. When the liver is inflamed, fatty, or damaged, that bile flow is disrupted, and stools become pale, grayish, or may even float. That's not normal, and it's an early sign many people ignore. 2. Trouble seeing at night. If you struggle to adapt to darkness, if your vision worsens in low light, or you constantly feel dryness in your eyes, your liver may not be absorbing vitamin A properly. Bile is essential for absorbing it. Without it, night vision is affected. 3. Swollen feet and ankles. When the liver starts to scar, blood doesn't circulate properly through a key vein. The result, fluid builds up in the legs and feet. If you press with your finger and it leaves a mark, pay attention. 4. Yellowish bumps near the eyelids. These are fat deposits under the skin. They're not just a cosmetic issue. They often appear when fat metabolism is altered, something very common in fatty liver disease. They can also appear on elbows or hands. 5. Pressure or discomfort under the right ribs. It's not always intense pain. Sometimes it's just a strange sensation, a constant pressure. It can even radiate to the right shoulder or the upper back. 6. Purple spots or easy bruising. A congested liver doesn't properly produce clotting factors. That's why bruises appear without clear injuries, or reddish spots show up on the abdomen and arms. 7. Swollen abdomen due to fluid. This is not gas, it's accumulated fluid. In advanced stages, it can look like a pregnancy belly. This sign is called ascites and it requires medical attention. 8. Persistent itching all over the body. No rashes, no obvious allergies. It happens because toxins and bile acids build up under the skin, and it can be extremely uncomfortable. 9. White nails, known as Terry's nails. They lose their normal pink color and sometimes leave only a reddish band at the tip. This can indicate advanced liver damage, although it's also seen in heart or kidney problems. If any of these signs are catching your attention, stay until the end. And if this content is helping you, subscribe now. It's free and it makes a difference. Let's continue. 10. Very dark urine, cola-colored, brown, or reddish. This happens when bilirubin is not properly processed by the liver and ends up being eliminated through the urine. Never ignore this. 11. Yellow eyes and skin. This is called jaundice. It's scary, yes, but in many cases, it's reversible if you act in time. It's a clear sign that your liver needs help. 12. Spider veins on the skin, small dilated blood vessels, especially on the chest or face. They appear when the liver can't properly metabolize estrogen. It happens in both men and women. 13. Red palms of the hands, known as palmar erythema. It doesn't hurt, but it's a clear hormonal sign that the liver isn't working as it should. What to do if you identify with any of these? First, don't panic. Second, schedule a medical appointment. Blood tests and an ultrasound can clarify a lot, because not all of these signs are exclusively caused by the liver, but it's essential to rule it out as soon as possible. How liver damage progresses. Damage doesn't happen overnight. First, fat accumulates in the liver, then inflammation. After that, scarring. The good news is this: early fatty liver disease is 100% reversible, and most people are right at that stage. How to start repairing your liver. This isn't magic, it's daily decisions. 3 basic pillars: eliminate toxins, improve your diet, change your habits. Your liver knows how to regenerate. It just needs you to stop attacking it and start giving it what it needs. Foods that actually help. Green vegetables, preferably raw or lightly steamed. Whole fruits, not juices. Raw garlic, turmeric with black pepper, coffee without sugar, extra virgin olive oil, raw, fatty fish, high-quality eggs. This is not a miracle diet. It's a return to what's natural. Why almost no one detects liver damage early. And here's something very important that almost no one explains. The liver doesn't hurt. It doesn't send clear signals at first. It doesn't sound loud alarms. That's why liver damage often progresses silently for years. Most people discover they have fatty liver, fibrosis, or inflammation when the problem has already been there for a long time. On top of that, many symptoms are easily confused with other issues. Fatigue blamed on stress, itching blamed on dry skin, swelling justified by age, digestive problems that get normalized. Meanwhile, the liver keeps carrying the load, filtering toxins, processing hormones, managing fats, regulating blood sugar. But there comes a point when it can no longer compensate. That's why it's so important not to wait until you feel bad. The goal isn't to treat advanced disease. The goal is to avoid getting there. And the good news is that when you act early, positive changes can be seen in weeks or months. Less inflammation, better digestion, more energy, less fat accumulation in the liver. You don't need expensive supplements. You don't need extreme treatments. You need consistency, accurate information, and to stop repeating habits we now know damage the liver. This organ doesn't ask for perfection. It asks for coherence. If you start today, even with small changes, your liver responds. And believe me, that's one of the best investments you can make in your health. Your liver works for you every second of your life. The question is, are you working for it or against it? Listening to these signals early can change everything. Subscribe to the channel because understanding your body is the first step to taking care of it. See you in the next video.